guys, you're welcome. So I have this. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it very well. I came to pick up this stuff from the post office, this Google AdSense. So I am so happy. I applied for this thing December time, and they told me that it has been sent to the post office, and I went there. I think I went January time. I went this January. We are still in January actually, but I don't know when this video will be coming up. So I went January, and January what safe, and they said it wasn't there. I searched and searched. I saw other people's own, like the ones that have been there for years. So I didn't see it. I went back home, and a few days later I received another mail from Google telling me that I should, just their usual mail reminding you that you should enter your PIN and all of that, blah blah blah. And also they gave me option where I would be able to reapply if I haven't received it. So I did reapplied for it, and 2 days later they told me that it has been sent to the post office, which I entered the address. I went there to look for it. They told me that it wasn't there. So before I could get back home, I was called. The same people that told me that it was not there called me that it's just entered and that I should come back and pick up, and there's no how I could go back there by that time. This is one of the things that I benefited from the vlogmas that I did, vlogmas 2023. I didn't regret doing it, even though the view was nothing to write home about. But I am so grateful to God, and I am so proud of myself that I was able to pull through, that I was able to pick up courage and participated. And yeah, I don't regret doing that, and I believe that those videos that I posted would pick up one day, and I will be happy. I will be so happy. And yeah, I'll be going home now. I just said let me update you guys because I am so happy. If you have waited for this stuff before, you will know how I am feeling right now, because I heard, not that I heard, like it was sent to me that if I don't enter this PIN, I will not be able to get paid from Google. Like you will just earn, and that money will just be audio money. It will just be e-money. Like it will just be there. You will just be seeing it. You can't use it. You can't withdraw it. You will not be paid basically. So that's why I'm so happy, even though we are still far from getting there, but we will get there so soon. I just got back home, and I don't know if I've welcomed you guys officially into this particular video. If you are new here, if you are seeing this face for the first time, you are highly welcome. I am so sorry. It was out of excitement, and yeah, my intro video is there, and I think that's not enough anyways. So I welcome you officially, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for always coming and looking out for my videos. So it happened that my phone went off while making the video, but I have powered it on. I charged it in the car while coming back, and yeah, I have to complete the video. So guys, yeah, I have this here just as I've showed you, and it contains my name. It's from Google. It contains my name and my address, Ugochukwu Ezinne, and my full address. So this is actually given by Google in order for them to confirm your address, to make sure that you are living in a so place, and to also make sure that you are a human being and not a robot. You understand? If not, I used to wonder why they don't just send this into our email, and yeah, like it's just PIN, like about how many digits of number. I haven't opened it, and after this video I'm going to open it up and enter the PIN. So I used to wonder why they don't just text it to our email. Like they do other things, they connect to us through our mails. If there's anything they want to communicate with us about concerning our AdSense, but no, they will send it to your address. They will want you to enter your address so that they will send it, you go and pick it up, or they deliver it to your doorstep. But me, I didn't want to wait for them. Just as I have told you, I didn't want to wait for them. I have to go and pick it up because I don't want to take risk. Just as I heard that they usually put it in some people's gates, and what if it happens as children, all these children or passerbys gets to pick it up and they can't even use it for anything, but maybe just pick it up and at the end throw it away and you don't get to see it. So that was what I thought about, and I was advised to go pick it up by myself. This is it, I have it, and I will go ahead to enter it. Obviously they have confirmed I'm not a robot. I am a human being with a name, with blood, with everything. Like, I speak, I basically do everything like a human being, as a human being that I am. So guys, I am just very happy, and I decided to come and let you guys know that we are step ahead. We are a step ahead, or steps ahead, that we are going further, basically, because this is not an easy thing. To get to this stage, it might be small for others, but to me is a big deal. Yeah, and I thank God for making me to get to this stage. I thank God for the success of everything, and we are still praying for more views, we are praying for more revenue, we are praying for goodness, for everything. This 2024, let's do it again. I thank you so very much for your support in 2023, and yeah, I believe that we are going to get more. I am going to get more support from you guys, and I pray to God to keep everyone alive and keep us healthy and continue to protect us from every evil. Please don't forget to stay safe out there. And if you have watched to this extent, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Please like this video and see you in my next video.